Alright, hey guys, Eric here, doing a little DIY work on my 2016 Yamaha R6. I got the rear seat locking bar. I already put the cotter pin in there. If you don't know how to do it, it's really easy. Put these two little grommets together, throw your cotter pin in, and you're set up. Now, this little spring right here gave me a lot of trouble, so that's why I'm making this video. But first and foremost, we're going to get everything set up the way it needs to be. I still got to put that in there, but for now we're going to work on this lock right here. And these are the pieces right here. So if you look in there, there's a little groove. Easy day. There's a little groove on the lock. Put that in, just kind of angle it in there. Turn it, fits right in. And then, alright, sorry, I'm trying to get a good angle here. And you put this guy on there, same way. That's what it's going to look like. And then you have this little slide locking mechanism. You want to put the tab up. Slide it in between these grooves on the side. And boom, your lock's secure. Alright, now for this guy. It's actually really easy. Just put it in there. And slide that around. Same thing for this guy. I'm gonna need two hands for this, so I'm gonna pause. Alright, all hooked up now. Now I'm gonna put this spring right here, put it around the back of the hook. Like so. Put the bracket piece on. You gotta make sure the spring gets in that little groove. Then you're operational. Put these little bolts on.